नमस्कार दोस्तों। आप लोग का स्वागत है हमारे छोटे से चैनल में, जहाँ पर हम लोग जुड़े हैं एक दूसरे के साथ कनेक्शन, एक अच्छा बॉन्ड बिल्ड करने के लिए। और इस बॉन्ड को बिल्डअप करने के लिए हमने एक माध्यम चुना है जिसका नाम है बुक रीडिंग। और आज हम अपना टॉपिक परस्यू करने वाले हैं पतंजलि योग सूत्र 33, जहाँ पर चलिए हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं। मैत्री करुणा मुदितो पेक्षणाम सुख दुख पुण्य अपुण्य विषयनम भावना तस् चित्त प्रसादनम। Maitri means friendliness, Karuna means compassion, Mudita means delight, Upeksha means discard, Anam of these four, Sukha means happy, Dukha means unhappy, Punya means virtus। इसको क्या प्रोनाउंसिएशन करना चाहिए वो आप डिसाइड कीजिए, विरटस और विरस। अपुण्य मीन्स wicked, Visya means in the domain, Anam of the four with respect to the previous four, Bhavanatha means cultivating the attitudes, Chitta means mind stuff, Prasadanam means undistributed calmness. By cultivating attitudes of friendliness toward the happy, compassion for the unhappy, delight in the virus and disregard toward the wicked, the mind stuff retains its undistributed calmness. Whether you are interested in reaching samadhi or plan to ignore yoga entirely, I would advise you to remember at least this one sutra. It will be very helpful to you in keeping a peaceful mind in your daily life. You may not have any great goal in your life, but just try to follow these one sutra very well, and you will see its efficacy. स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है। अब ये वर्ड क्या है मैं इसको पकड़ नहीं पा रहा, बट ये फैक्सी कुछ है। इन माई ओन एक्सपीरियंसेस दिस सूत्रा बिकम माई guiding light to keep mind serene always. Who would not like serenity of mind always? Who would not like to be happy always? Everybody wants that. So Patanjali gives 4 keys: friendliness, compassion, delight and discard. These are only 4 kinds of locks in the world. Keep these 4 keys always with you, and when you come across any one of these 4 locks, you will have the proper key to open it. What are those 4 locks? Sukha, Dukha, Punya and Apunya. The happy people, unhappy people, the virus and the wicked. At any given moment, you can fit any person into one of these 4 categories. When you see happy people, use the friendliness key. Why should Patanjali say this? Because even 4,000 years ago, there must have been people who were not happy at seeing others happy. It is still the same way. Suppose some people drive up in a big car, park in front of a huge palatial home and get out. Some other people are standing on the pavement in the hot sun getting tired. How many of these people will be happy? Not many. They will be saying, see that big car. Those people are sucking the blood of the laborers. We come across people like that. They are always jealous. When a person gets name, fame, or high position, they try to criticize that person. Oh, do not you know that person brother is so and so? Some string must have been pulled. They will never admit that the person might have gone up by his or her own merit. By that jealousy, you will not disturb the other person, but you disturb your own sanity. Those people simply got out of the car and walked into the house, but you are burning up inside. Instead, think, oh, such fortunate people. If everyone was like that, how happy the world would be. May God bless everybody to have such a comfort. I will also get that one day. Make those people your friends. That response is missed in many cases, not only between individuals but even among nations. When some nation is prospering, the neighboring country is jealous of it and wants to ruin its economy. So, we should always have the key of friendliness when we see happy people. And what of the next lot? The unhappy people. Well, Swami said people have their own karma. They must have done some wretched thing in their last birth. Let them suffer now. That should not be our attitude. May they are suffering from previous bad karma, but we should have compassion. If you can lead a helping hand, do it. If you can share half of your love, share it. Be merciful always. By doing that, you will retain the peace and poise of your mind. Remember, our goal is to keep the sanity of our minds. Whether our mercy is going to help other or not, by our own feeling of mercy, at least we are helped. Then comes the third kind, the virus people. When you see various people, feel delighted. Oh, how great they are! They must be my heroes. I should imitate their great qualities. Do not envy them. Don't try to pull them down. Appreciate the various qualities in them and try to cultivate them in your own life. And lastly, the wicked. We come across wicked people sometimes and cannot deny that. So, what should be our attitude? Indifference. Well, some people are like that. Probably I was like that yesterday. Am I not a better person now? They will probably be all right tomorrow. Don't try to advise such people because wicked seldom take advice. If you try to advise them, you will lose your peace. I still remember a small story from the Panaka Tantra which I was told as a small child on rainy day. A monkey was sitting on a tree branch getting completely drenched. Right opposite on another branch of the same tree, there was a small sparrow sitting in its hanging nest. Normally, a sparrow builds its nest on the edge of a branch so it can hang down and swing around gently in the breeze. It has a nice cabin inside with an upper chamber, a reception room, a bedroom down below, and even a delivery room if it is going to give birth to little ones. Oh, yes, you should see and admire a sparrow nest sometime. It was warm and cozy inside its nest, and sparrow people peeped out and seeing the poor monkey said, "Oh, my dear friend, I am so small. I do not even have hands like you, only a small beak, but with only that I built a nice house, expecting this, this rainy day. Even the rain continues for days. I will be warm inside." I heard Darwin saying that you are the forefather of human beings. So why do not use your brain, build a nice small hut somewhere to protect yourself during the rain. You should have seen seen the face of the dead monkey. It was terrible. "Oh, you little devil, how dare you try to advise me because you are warm and cozy in your nest? You are teasing me. Wait, you will see where you are." The monkey proceeded to tear the nest to pieces, and the poor bird had to fly out and get drenched like the monkey. This is story I was told when I was quite young, and I still remember it. Sometimes we come across such monkeys, and if you advise them, they take it as an insult. They think you are proud of your position. If you sense even a little of that tendency is somebody, stay away. He or she will have to learn by experience. By giving advice to such people, you will only lose your peace of mind. If is there any other category you think of? Patanjali groups all individual in these four ways: the happy, the unhappy, the virus, and the wicked. So have these four attitudes: friendliness, compassion, gladness, and indifference. These four keys should always be with you in your pocket. If you use the right key with right person, you will retain your peace. Nothing in the world can upset you then. Remember, our goal is to keep a serene mind. From the very beginning of Patanjali Sutras, we are reminded of that, and these sutras will help us a lot. पतंजलि योग सूत्र 33 अपना यहाँ पर कंप्लीट होता है, और नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है पतंजलि योग सूत्र 34, जो कि हम करेंगे अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तो तब तक के लिए शुभ रात्रि, नमस्ते।